Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who missed the update about a vocational school in Finland, this video is for you so that I can walk you through the step-by-step guide since the application deadline is in 2 days. Right? Some of you said you haven't seen the video. It was a live stream we did a month ago. So I'm going to walk you through again on this video. So watch till the end so that you can do your application. Do your application today and tomorrow before the deadline, 3 p.m. Friday, the 21st of November. And you miss the opportunity to move to Finland. If you're interested, keep watching, share with someone, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. You want to go to vamia.fi. This is a vocational college in Finland that allows international students to study in Finland of charge. So I'll walk you through this step-by-step guide. You're paying zero tuition for this vocational school. You don't even need a degree for it. All you have to do is to take care of your living expenses and the accommodation, which I believe is fair. Okay, so they have compiled essential information for international applicants on this page. Please read this information carefully. Programs available for international students include cook and waiter. Okay, for this coming session, there's no update for mechanist and plater welder. Right, the application for those ones will open next year November. They do not charge tuition fees for their vocational qualification. They don't. However, you're going to pay for your living housing costs in Finland, so you need to bear that in mind. You can visit this link to find out more details. Okay, then the entry requirements include, it says equal ground shall be applied in student admissions. VET providers decide on the criteria. General requirements are VAMIA. You have the necessary qualifications for studying in the field and completing a degree. You have educational need. You are motivated to study. You are suitable for the tasks in the field. You have sufficient health requirement for the chosen field. You have adequate language proficiency for the field. Specific requirements for English language vocational qualification program include they accept applicants from all nationalities into their English language education qualification program, and it is taught in English. Okay, you have to be at least 18 years of age, but there is no upper age limit. If you like be more than 100, you can apply. You have at least qualification equivalent to finish basic education of 9 years, which is your secondary school certificate. You will need scan or photo of your original certificate when you apply. Original certificate in English. So most of our schools back home in Africa is in English. Most of our certificates are in English, so you don't need to translate. But if you have Finnish or Swedish certificates, that's fine. Then translated certificates in English, Finnish, or Swedish need to be verified. Okay, you have successfully completed the English proficiency test. That's the Duolingo English test with at least minimum of, check the minimum score here. You have a valid passport or personal ID, which will be attached to your application. If you don't have a passport, then forget it. They're primarily seeking applicants who have a good command of English and some relevant education and work experience in the field. You cannot complete the application after the deadline, which is Friday, the 21st November 2025. Even if you meet all the requirements, they will not accept you. Okay. Requirement for resident permit. You are selected to study a program in Finland. You have enough funds for living expenses. So you're not providing proof of funds for tuitions. You're only providing proof of funds for your living expenses and accommodation, which is fair. Okay, application period, and there's no application fee. Let me not forget to mention that. So you have nothing to lose if you do this application now. You have nothing to lose. Application period is planned, like I said, 17th to 21st of November, and it's for cook, waiter, and waitress for vocational program starting in August 2026. They also have another one, April 2026. The application will start again. And then for vocational program starting in January 2027. English proficiency test, you must have a Duolingo test. Remember that Duolingo test lasts for 2 years. So even if this one also work, you can use it again for next year. By then you would have replanned and reassessed yourself. The test score is submitted to the application. The minimum score you need is 85 points. Vamia does not provide free vouchers. Choose Vamia as your school, save the language test certificate file and attach it to the application. They do not accept any other English language, which is good because IELTS is very expensive now, almost about 350k. Then application procedure. The application to the programs in English is done through the studyinfo.fi website. The application form will be activated when the application period begins. We've looked at this before on a live stream. It is not possible to complete the application outside the application window. Fill out the application form accurately. Upload all documents while the application period is on. Work employment certificate is not mandatory, so you don't need to provide proof of employment. You do not need a motivational letter for this application. You'll be notified at no reply at this email address. The applicant who received the highest scores based on the application. Guys, come and read this. Approximately 2 months before the studies, the new students will receive an email about the state of their studies. Okay, we're not going to go through all of this, but click here because the application window is now open. This is the application window here. Okay, vocational upper secondary qualification in restaurant and catering services, Vamia. This is it here. It's a 3 years planned duration. 3 years. You can see here fees free of charge. A lot of you have been doubting this information ever since I shared it with you. You can see it here, free of charge. Free of charge. Scope of studies 180 ECVET competencies point. Form of teaching, contact teaching, face-to-face teaching. Teaching time, daytime teaching. You can do night shifts and go to school daytime. Language of instruction is English. Alright. Application ongoing. Check out study programs available for application and fill in the application form. Show study programs available for here. Cook. This program provides you with the basic knowledge of both theory and practice in the food production tasks in the restaurant industry, in planning, cooking, and presenting restaurant dishes. So go through it, okay? Cook, vocational upper secondary qualification in restaurant and catering services. Places of study 25. This is it here. Application form. Waiter and waitress vocational upper secondary qualification. So whichever one you want to go for. If you want to go for cook, you can start your application here. If you want to go for waiter, waitress, you go for here. So if you want to go for this one, click here. Cook vocational upper secondary qualification. Fill out application form carefully. It says there will be tuition fees in use from this intake. Currently, we are still waiting for further information from the Parliament of Finland because of this change of policy. Okay, so they are still waiting, but go ahead and do your application. That's for this one. Okay, the application process is easy, but many people from my WhatsApp group have done it. Even some people on TikTok reached out to me saying they have done this application. Do your application, upload all the documents requested here and send. So select your English proficiency 85 to 100, 100 to 125. Select it here, upload the certificate down below here. Certificate, field of study here, whichever one. Select, but I'll go back to the first page. Let me open for cook. So please fill this application. Just fill in this application. Based on the total scores, around 50 applicants per program will be selected for the term's interview. So 50 persons. Maybe you'll be the lucky person that will be selected. So check them out, okay? Do your application tonight or tomorrow, depending on when you're seeing this video. It's just a reminder. It's about 24 questions here for you to answer and fill the application. All right, there you have it. I'll leave the link for you in the description. Check it out, apply. You're not doing this for me, you're doing it for yourself. Even if you don't want to, you can apply for your child. Let someone in your family go Let him go, and then every other person will come later. Some of you have done your application, and I'm really happy for you guys. Let's just keep all fingers crossed and hope on God. So I thought to share this again for those that have missed out when I first shared it in October. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with someone, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.